And then you issues in the Dawson. Very serious and interesting discussions from the camp of the new patriotic party. And one do a new modalities by November there conclusively. Na party no who leads the party as a flag bearer. But before that, from May 23rd, all nominations and a lot of discussions are ongoing. History is repeating itself. About 4 years ago, the new patriotic party or contested as a member of parliament, DC, MCE, whoever, a party executive, vacate your post. This time, party I issue the same fiat. Of course, we have individual dissenting opinions. Kennedy Kankam, the former member of parliament at the Mishayasa constituency, currently or a municipal chief executive at the Asokore Mampong on one so ohene kasiepa na mamenko na menene no konkodi nkobo minia bibia bako de
minia bako ba na so
yes otumfo sasa mohene ehene Sompahene mo medase.
Exactly.
Opposed to Suntia na aye. Utumfo sasa mohene sompahene. That is interesting. So in very brief, my one say since Enra mo party this statement by mo bi ababonten the dissenting opinion abase that decision exactly DNA Kennedy Kankam concern our new directives are abase MMDC's party executives or multiple contesting of the MPs.
You go me that say, that was so one mammy quite a vintage and your mammy were Nama Chetty for so Nama Chiamonemo, I do my phone. The decision and answer me comment I made, but it's not a dissenting view of the parliament, the national executive, Mr. Moma and getting it straight.
Okay.
And yet dissenting view, dissenting because I said, oh, Massey. Maybe they are not yet to say, I'm appeal for an addition.
Okay.
On the measure because some of the report reporting wrongly say have kicked against the National Executive Council decision. No,
sure.
I haven't kicked against the National Executive Council decision.
Okay.
I'm in support of what they
mm-hmm.
But what I want us to do is we need to expand it. Because I will share the letter now or the buy one.
Yeah.
They call law more. Who does all we are law student.
Yeah.
A letter a split say yeah my MMDC is the party executive and contest election.
Sure.
But the spirit no omudi say yeah say MPs no it now should be extra parliament.
Okay.
Na omuye it in you obaduma so the ya obi ko how mu constituencies man ko fa problem o yes I no monka.
Sure.
That is the spirit of it and answer.
Exactly.
Na se ta ne ka dia MMDCs in the party executives and have MPs municipal constituencies.
No. CEO
that is my view.
I understand. CEO so how movie.
MP, yes, CEO, maybe no, I'm a living witness.
Yeah.
If the CEO of one who can say MMDCs or influence, do more contest. CEOs no, to influence the same. Deputy ministers will influence the same. Ministers will influence the same. Executive directors will influence the same. Some of the board members are government appointees, also influence the same. Do they have capacity to say, disable MPs and backyard? No one is a capacity. So if they have the capacity to disturb them there, then ask them.
Okay.
And yes, also don't be selective.
Okay.
Because what can say any party, regional officers, national officers, constituency officers, and MMDCs, yeah. And also between your high, these people also have the capability to do it. Many years will you know. Many MMDC in the Hamajuna, and I may or Hamajuna.
But see you
who came to disturb me there. Now what say Parliament you want to do the whole must work office with decision. And then what they mention.
Yeah.
And the name of some American, many come and say executives not taking decision. Now I'm kicking against the executive decision. I mean, what? Just say I'm part of the MP you must be because of say yeah, hang Parliament 137, 137. Yeah. You know, because they are the people who can do worse. Okay, when you say so 2020 elections in primaries anymore.
Yeah.
CEOs, deputy ministers, executive directors, any government appointees, you know. Do MPs who don't know who lose elections in the United States.
Of course.
So Yahweh.
From BBN to
yeah. 87. What to Chima? The Yado, Baby, yeah, BC, Northern Region, Savulugune, other places in the Indian. Some of them, no, we cannot do what. See you, they were deputy minister, they were minister, they were executive director, and they were air band doing the Basman Kobe. The more on a contest, no more solution.
Of course, you have example Quadra so constituency.
And the ambassador, I'm a share also. I am part of the MC, MPs, National Mutual Parliament, no Jumadia. And yes, I may be a good Yakusino, and my actually, no.
I understand.
And then you need to expand it to cover all these people because we are west. Let's say the MMDC, MMDC, a Juma at the Bamabaya at the Bamar. What now the Suneba, Coca, now I am popular. And then the Gazzi are passing out of no. It may influence Benabay because we found that demand of the body called over the TOABPA. And the demand of the bounce, no. And easy. And the most of the MMDC is in the ground. People and yet popular people, you know, between that a lot of confusion there. But see, you know, physically for a crab, or a shilly, we are not a or our Telema, Bosumi, and was up and Baby Seed, and I was in Baby Seed. But to MC, don't know what it's true that MPs, MMDCs, you know, more influence, all right. It is so more contest, I mean, no problem. But more, creative problem, and my party in Chinu, and yet, and no one, any MMDCs, a friend say, party executives, on everything, I didn't. You know, the decision now, but it doesn't affect me in any way. It affects me anyway. If I want to contest as a member of parliament, I'm called parliamentary. They are near MC, as I was a constituency. The meeting made and support me because I'm not fan constituency and I'm a member. If I want to come to shares, I'm not an MCO in shares of constituency. So I can move and come and contest. I want to there's duty there.
Okay.
So what I'm telling them is they should go back and say, you know, share those ambiguities, no. Now, more share and call for a movie, say, I didn't say, a ban MCs, MMDCs, and a friend, party play and Penny. I dream pona church, more church, which are any That's I dream pona pan, I'm a MPs, Nino Masudia, and the uncle for Namabandu cannot stop nothing.
100%, but that means Kasa from experience. And
of course, and I'm speaking as a party person. Of the parties for so long. I've been a member of parliament. I'm a chief executive. Me MMDCO. It's me. Can you say? It's just a bit. We be na me briefing. I'm a conversation. No, we catch them. MMDC is we know when take. If you know when take, we know when committee. We know when conference. Sometimes I serve on the information, I process the information, maybe the total party, the one in semi confirm me, not telling me, oh no, so why you know free my fire, what's the baby? But at the end of the day, no, you know, and one a critical problem.
Yeah.
It's here, per se, as we get back. Now, I said, the easy cafe, MC, MPs in the parliament, you know, then we say, yeah. Party executives, any MMDC, they have not been fairness. The level, the playground has not been level. There have been injustice. Because any MMDC got away influence. There are other people who are putting party appointed position who have a lot of influence in the system. That can disturb some of the MPs in the background. I think the MMDC is which party executives one. So, Kofi Mason, you know, and yes,
okay. Why any official communication to the party hierarchy just to explain our position to them beyond the radio interviews and we?
That's in the said decision by Enra. And I'm not say chairman, but because I didn't speculation. The Americans said, to me, because I would be based on speculation, the NPP. And they are we are a chairman here. Press conference, Oman laid down all the procedure and any the things that they are talking about. In the confirmation in your baby, you know, that is where we have started the talking. You can say, baby, and people are calling, maybe a bit in a carbon. And yes, I can say, Munyana MMDCs in contest. No.
But Kankam, what observations one year in Swa? You baby are saying you'll be answering a contestable party. No, I'm looking at people with, I don't want to use the word credibility, but people of substance. Because you're banning CEO for, you're banning MMDCs, you're banning deputies, you're banning. I mean, we are not getting anybody to come and contest for at the various constituencies.
I don't think for you say you practice democracy, which gives opportunities to everybody. Now, a bit more better farmer, be more ababe okay. Why are you giving chance for some people to progress in the political ladder? Now you try to make it till some of that.
But so, I know the Obeka said, "Mana what you saw as MP, ye can be man wow."
There be some MMDC, MMDC in contest. I was out of a contest near CEO.
Yeah.
He was contesting me.
Okay.
And the executive directors. For moment, me prayer no. 9 year MMDCs. Oh, that 7 buy no. Abano. If people will be incident to me, kind of papa. But me there. I have been there before. It has been used on me before. I saw the loopholes in the law that was made the last time. So, a caucus meeting, no caucus taking decision, a majority decision. Uncle to be marbon, I can't be a man coming. About the law, that's not how the standing order stays. About that, you have been deviant person among them. But now I'm not an MPB again. And I'm just a American area defending myself as an MP. And I'm a catcher, was a medical catcher on that. Says, the rest is on the banner. And affected me, Kennedy can come individual in any way. Who is affected me in any way?
Now, we share so uncle.
And I'm a cat. The missing my bunch of crana, it doesn't affect me.
I don't affect you. So we are MMDC.
I'm not an MMDC at this year's constituency. That one is the bit, and that is why I say that is where the ambiguity is. So the parties will sit down and come clear on it. I thought I make out as a bar. And the Asama American, unless they be out, say, or be in person of a temasi, and nobody say, or say me, or someone a channel. Because one thing that they say, okay, what's the MMDC contest? Yeah, MMDC, yeah, or also opposite contest, baby, I honor MMDC, yeah, and also can say the party should come and explain. And there's a lot of loopholes, there's a lot of abuse, there's a lot of something. And possible to because of court to or challenge, I don't know, at the law from the law perspective. I bet me I'm a party, no, I have a problem. So what we are trying to do is to draw in the party attention for the party to know that this is what we have done. Although there's a loophole here, let us address it. Let us take Kankam's opinion and see how he's talking about it. And per se achieve that aim. What we are doing is it going to help us to achieve the aim? But
Obeka said this is not the first time. Party na ebida.
And then I free 165 by 137. The first time that we implement that law, we moved from 165 to 137. So what was the outcome of it? Party ni be done way, you know. A whole success or next saying,
no, to you, I'm one.
And the boy, and I'm because I said a majority in an AFP or parliament.
Yeah.
They 155 in the 7th parliament. They say 137. And you have results no, in numerical terms, a boy and not a boy.
But Obeka say you need empirical evidence to justify, say, indeed, side decision in T. Now,
no MC, no implementing all the government projects. Me, as a foreign mampo, and you will deal with money, I mean, other municipals, other districts. MC, and you will grab it in a bar or Baba, I could count Mumdiama contractor. Senor Obacatcher, MP, no, and Obacatcher, say, who could be a wood MP. And he is the chairman of the Municipal Security Council. So, the major. It is a wooden deal. You have to find a way, a nice way of dealing with such people, not in a harsh manner.
But Mijini said the point is that say Opesa contesting or resign. That is it. It is not just say yeah, Mamu Quine, but you don't sit.
And yet, don't let us personalize it.
No.
Abuse
of incumbency.
And yet, for who the men buy, no man can say, the man can say,
okay.
May say the old decision, no, my taking no need be piano, may take me for us. Nemo, I can a no. We cannot achieve that aim because also one person will be a better empty no. I want a backyard, no young constitution, I a Juma or parliament. Any MMDC ni party executive so kwade betimi ha wo mu ama wo mu ayaha because me de na baye no emra 2020 ba na ye nye MMDC ne be ha me wo inhye so enye party officer ne be ha me inhye so see will be the way critics have problem no inhye from that perspective o say guy will be able to see you person hana o ba hana manai ha they say me ye ha some time ago so ma me ka tia sepa
me mate wase pa
na ko be bi say ne tekimoya enye MMDC ne ko ha ai wachi ya no
Martin
deputy minister bi ne ko ha no
yeah well
and you no ye ha
yes
so
me mate say all
right and ko be bi eni a enye MMDC bi ne ko ha no chief executive bi ana ko ha
ente Kankam mame mo nkomo ni nyina to fa mete ne wo kan ase a your point is that party no should go beyond MMDC and party executives. And yes, sir. Good. But also, I want to believe that the spirit of this concern is that abuse of incumbency. What is so as MC? Now woody. Now access to everything. Now ebia MP ni ye juma obrachebe. Now we no work constituency ho. I think this is the reason. And it's all resign. Opedia. No, I resign. No, I don't think so.
Now, maybe that say. And also, you chief executive on the BBA, or not to work now, or you BBA, wiki, they are looking for every part of Ghana. I always made it that is the whole of this land, but now one position. I implemented the policies of my institution. Thank God for are they not having the same opportunities that the MMDCs are having?
I'll throw this question. Yeah, me the question we be makodia and the next few minutes. Nyano na ye ni din koma. But I'm more than grateful. Me I can come.
You are matter of me can cure up to ma. Mo person mo chechera de no say no they can come ne party mpanyimfo no e problem no. Enye sa na news meet here.
Okay.
Party mpanyimfo no position no no stand on taking no. I support it 100%.
Okay.
But at the end why you press achieve no mo church mu no.
Yeah.
Ain't me my achieve because of what I know and what has happened to me before.
Okay.
Me my MP be that MP sani how mon na me no mon de ma ni nyina e dwene ho man wo the way minister way how you are deputy minister way you are we how you are.
And many of them are there mobile how money nyina no monye MC for cry.
Yeah, no MCs. Ana almost better parliament and the MC no. Acquire MCs with the year was hano. A more position would take key.
Okay.
On the mention of chairman be as about I was a positive gumbe on the mention or positive gumbe. I don't know any year. So me acquire a beautiful decision make and trade position abuse take key. And you make use year actually.
Okay.
So on the mention.
I agree with you.
And you said by your uncle Basse, the Jumana, your party for watching, you know, Uncle Basse, a sticky decision. I'm why and I'm one party, and I'm breaking it, you know. And you will be a way experience that your testing party position that. You're testing member of parliament that. You're testing minister party executive that. You're all around. You're experiencing the personal, you know. You're your personal experience, you know, and you're related to the decision I have taken as a young, yeah. Yeah, try arguing on. Okay. I mean, then will be quite say, as a government for MT rebel against next decision. Even as a government for maybe bring up a new dimension on Canada on the yesterday or be creative problem. To move in manage as a national executive now, Konemuno, or master and make a be a class. I'm a catch you into the first bit in your boy.
Thank you very much.